Let's go shopping!
Wow! It's so big!
Please help me choose the apples.
Great job, Tom. Who is that man?
He looks scary. Stay close to me. I'm scared. Let's hide. Come with me. Is he still there? He's coming! This way! Don't let him see us.
Where is the cereal?
He's still here. Let's go over there. Keep walking. Where's Mom? We're lost.
Don't worry. Stay with me.
I can't see Mom.
He's here again.
Be quiet.
I need breakfast cereal.
Let's ask for help. Come with me.
Are you two okay?
We can't find our parents.
Don't worry. We'll help you find them. Stay here. I'll help you. Tom and Emma, your parents are waiting at the information desk. Let's find them quickly.
We're coming!
I hope they're okay.
Stay behind me, Emma.
Don't worry. I'm just buying groceries.
We're so glad you're safe.
Thank you for helping our children. I was looking for cereal. I was looking for cereal. I'm sorry. We misunderstood you. Nice to meet you. This is what I was looking for.
Thank you for helping us.
always stay with us.
We promise. Let's finish our shopping.
Can we buy this cereal?
Did you find everything?
Have a wonderful day.
Stay with your family, ask for help, and never judge people by your appearance.